Hello everyone, my name is Izine and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I make videos showing you how I make my clothes. If that sounds like something you would love to see more of, hit the subscribe button. If you do find my videos helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment section. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made a wrap skirt with ruffle hem. Now this skirt is perfect for this season, which is summer. So if you've been looking for a garment to add to your wardrobe, you've just found one. Now this skirt can either be long or short, depending on the style you're going for and depending on how much fabric you have to work with. You don't have to be a very good sewer, it's totally beginner friendly and it doesn't require a lot of time to make. So with that being said, let's get started. For the fabric, I made use of some leftover lightweight cotton fabric that I have, but about a yard of fabric should be enough. We're going to start by drafting our straight skirt pattern on folded paper. To make it have a little A-line shape, add half inch to the hemline and draw a line to the hip line. Now add sewing allowance to the pattern and cut it out. We're going to use this pattern to cut out the back skirt on fold. Make sure to transfer your dart points. Going back to the pattern, open up the paper and draw the dart and seam allowance on the other side. Now draw a curved line from one dart to the hem. You can use your free hand or a curve to do this. Add allowance to the curve you just drew. This should be our front pattern. Now using this pattern, cut out two pieces for the front skirt. Pin the darts of both the front and back skirt and sew them. Now place the right sides of the skirt together and sew the side seams. To get the length of the ruffle fabric, measure the hem of the skirt and multiply it by 2. If you want your ruffles to be fuller, you can multiply it by 2.5. and cut out as many strips of fabric as you would need. Join all of them together. Now that we have one long fabric piece, put the two ends together and curve the hem like so. Hem the fabric by folding it over twice and making a straight stitch. If you have a rolled hem foot, it would make your work easier and so much faster. On the other end of the fabric, make a straight stitch using the longest stitch on your machine. Then gather the fabric by pulling on the bobbin thread. Do this till the gathered fabric is the same length as the main skirt. Now spread out the ruffles evenly and attach it to the skirt using a straight stitch. Now we're going to make the waistband. Measure the length of the waistline and cut out the fabric using the length plus seam allowance. Apply fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric. Fold the fabric in two and press it. On one side of the waistband, you're going to fold over the sewing allowance and press it. Now prepare the belt. One belt is longer than the other. The one for the right front is 15 inches, while the one for the left front is 15 inches plus half of your waist measurement. Now fold the fabric in two and make a straight stitch, then turn the loop inside out. Attach the waistband to the skirt. Place the belt in between the edge of the waistband and sew the edge. Now you're going to fold the waistband and pin. Stitch in the ditch on the right side to catch the back waistband. And finally, make a buttonhole in the waistband at the right side of the skirt. Now your skirt is ready to be worn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.